I make $200 every time I post my art in this website. And basically, I don't have to stress myself creating art and post it on this website. I just use this free AI tool to create amazing art and post it on this website. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make use of Google, this website, and a free AI tool to make $200 and above in just one click. So whether you're a student looking for money to support your education, a businessman looking for money to support your business, a stay-at-home nursing mother or otherwise, then stick to this video because this video is for you. This website is a place where people write about animation and art. I'm not trying to convince you to write on this site. I'm just trying to show you how to make money from this website just by submitting your art. And just submit your art and it will be reviewed. If they choose to post your art on their site, they will send you an information asking you about the payment method. I have a bonus for everyone who will watch this video to the end. This bonus will help you to have a high chance of getting approved anytime you post your art on this website. Without further ado, let's jump in. Here is how to get started. Just visit Google and search for animation Arena. Click the first result, or if you need link, I'll put the link in the description of this video. It is not an affiliate link. I'll just put the link there so it will be easier for you to access this. Just click the link in the description of this video and it will bring you to this site. Now, here is the site, and we are going to make use of this site to make money. All you have to do here is to scroll down and locate submit your art. Click it and this page will open. On this page, you get to send your information to their email. Such information include your name, your age, name of your school if in school, your career goals, 2 samples of your artwork. Please keep files under 3 MB, your website URL if you have a site, your contact email. After your work is submitted, it will be reviewed, and if they choose to post your work, you will be sent an online interview asking you more questions about you and your artwork. Send your submissions to arenamaster@arenaedla.com. Don't worry about AI art. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make a beautiful and amazing art from a free AI tool. And now, here is how to do it. Visit nanodo.ai, search it on Google and click the first result. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description of this video so it will be easier for you to access it. And once you click the link, it will bring you to this page. Before I move on, let me use this opportunity to introduce my humble self. My name is GM Meruje, and I love trading crypto and inspiring others too. I welcome you back to this money making community, including Bitcoin trading strategies, crypto updates, and many more. If you are yet to join us, then smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video like this. Right now, let's move on. Back to the business. If you come back to this nanodo.ai, first of all, you have to create a new account. So click create a new account and create a new account with your email address, password, and sometimes your username. After creating a new account, then use the generate button to generate amazing art for yourself. I recommend creating a unique and beautiful art. This will give you a high chance of getting approved. Now you have created a art for yourself. Now it is time to upload it to this site. After creating arts from this AI tool, then you have to go back to this website, Animation Arena, and submit it together with your information. Remember, the information must include your name, age, name of your school if in school, your career goals, 2 samples of your artwork, etc. So make sure you create 2 arts from this nanodo.ai. And once you submit it, you have to wait for their response. I recommend after 15 business days and you don't get any response from them, then consider submitting another art that have a unique and a new design to them. This will also give you a high chance of getting approved. From the beginning of this video, I promised everyone a bonus tip. in this bonus tip is this. Whenever you are trying to send your details, your information, and your ads to this website, you have to send your career goal. This is what you should put in your career goal. Make sure to put a photographer or animator. This will give you a high chance of getting approved. If you still don't get any response from them after 15 business days, then keep on sending your information with a unique artwork, because you can't tell what tomorrow will bring. I recommend you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get more information and updates anytime I do this. If you have any question, please drop your questions in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you find this video helpful, please smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a new video like this. Financial freedom is what I teach in this channel, and I, J, will like to be your friend in this journey. Remember, you can't tell what tomorrow will bring. So keep hustling, keep reading. I am with you. For now, goodbye, good luck. I shall meet you again in the next video. Until then, good luck.